Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so Grommet integrates cleanly. First, create a React app and install Grommet and Grommet icons. This gives you components and icons. Once done, wrap your root component with Grommet's theme provider to enable styling. Make sure to import base CSS or a custom theme. This initial wiring is quick but essential because it defines global styles and responsive rules. After that, you're ready to add layout components and test a simple button or box to confirm the setup works. You now construct the main UI using Grommet primitives. Start with box and grid to define spatial relationships, since they handle padding and responsiveness for you. Once you place content areas, add form elements like text input and button to capture user input. This matters because Grommet handles accessibility attributes automatically. Make sure to pass pad, gap, and align props for consistent spacing. If you need complex overlays, combine stack with layer. As you iterate, preview at different widths to validate responsive breakpoints, and you finish by polishing interactions and verifying behavior across devices. Test keyboard navigation and focus order because accessibility is critical. Adjust area attributes when necessary. Once done, optimize by memoizing components and lazy loading large modules to keep performance smooth. If something breaks, make sure your theme overrides aren't clashing and that Grommet CSS is imported before custom styles. Incorrect import order commonly causes styling issues. Finally, run the app in production mode to catch environment-specific problems and confirm everything remains stable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.